All right. Trevor's asking, what is the best way to find good deals in today's competitive market? Peter, it's been tough out there. You're watching a segment from a Peter Harris live event. Join us for our next live event. Register at commercialpropertyadvisors.com/live. Okay, Trevor, hey, it has been for all of us. But guess what? If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? All right. So the short answer is the best deals are never found on the market. They're not. Okay. Because Trevor, if you were to find a deal on the MLS or LoopNet or Crexi, whatever, if it's a good deal, it would only last a day, right? You will not have time to get it. Also, let me say this. If a real estate agent has a really good deal, guess what? He's not putting it on LoopNet or Crexi MLS. He has clients, his A clients, so he's going to put this deal to them first to see if they want it before it gets to the market. Okay, so you're not going to see it online. So the best deals are fine off market, and that's what we specialize on. Okay, since 2011, that's been my primary focus is learning and teaching and learning myself how to find deals off market by going direct to the seller. Okay, we use all kind of technology, all kind of techniques, and we have perfected it, right? How to find these sellers. And our students are very busy, no matter what market it is, okay, no matter what market it is, on locating deals off market. Those are the best deals, okay? And let's face it, Trevor, like a real estate agent, and my best friends are agents, okay? Nothing against them, but their job is to sell their property for the highest price. Okay. And our job as mentors and you as an investor is to buy it for the best price. So it's a lower price. And we have to go off market for that. Okay. So hopefully I answered your question, Trevor. All right. Let me know if I did. All right. So I'm going to go to question number 2. What is seller financing and how can I use it to buy my first multifamily? That's a great question. Okay. And so seller financing is when the seller will act as a bank for you. Okay, it could be a master lease agreement. We're going to go over that tonight. Okay, it could be a seller carry first mortgage, seller carry second mortgage. We're going to go over that tonight. So I have a lot of videos on seller financing. So team, could you put some of those video links on creative financing on the chat? This would be for Shelly. Okay, and anyone else who's interested in seller financing. And I don't want to brag, but I believe our company and our coaches are the best in the world in putting together seller financing deals. Okay, I think we're really, really good at. Okay, about half of our deals are done that way. Ever wondered how pro investors find and analyze deals for maximum profit? How to secure financing even if you're a beginner? Or attract and keep tenants for steady passive income? Commercial Real Estate for Beginners delivers simple, actionable steps to master it all. Tap the link on the top corner for your free copy today. What do you do if, he says, this is from Bill, it says, what do you do if I have the desire, but virtually no experience and very little to no money? What do you do? All right. Is that a great question? All right. All right. Put in the chat who has that same situation. Just give me a quick why. Okay. A why if this is you. Okay. What do you do if you have the desire but virtually no experience and very little money? See, a lot of why. So thank you so much. Okay. And so you basically have 5 options. I'm going to spend a little time tonight on that question. Okay. So pay very close attention. You have 5 options. Number 1, you can wholesale commercial real estate. And I will give you a great example of on how all that works. You can wholesale commercial real estate. You can do my favorite technique, which is called the master lease agreement. Okay, we're going to go over that and how that works. You can do a seller carry first mortgage technique where the seller becomes the bank for you. Okay, you can also do a seller carry second mortgage, whereby the seller helps you with the down payment. Okay. And then third, we can do OPM, other people's money, also known as syndication. We can do that too. I will touch on that a little tonight as well. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.